everyone. As you can see that now this is completely dried. From the fourth we have given just in texture, and how I have given I have shared a video. So now I am going to share with you then how to do with coloring. Okay, for that I am going to use my chalk paints. Okay, kiwi magenta, and this is my pineapple lolly, and two more colors. You can, if you have in chalk paint, you can use in chalk paint, but I don't have in black color in chalk paint, so I'm going to use my acrylic ones. Okay, if you don't have chalk paint, you can use the same this acrylic colors. Okay, so this is the color. Let me just show you. This is kind of green, sap green. Okay, so let's get started. So firstly what I'll be needing, I have to take my colors. Okay, and lots of black color, and the black color I'll take chalk paint. Okay, and little bit yellow. Okay, there are so many brands who is launching like chalk paint. There are so many brands who have like chalk paints. Now what you need to do, you can just apply some colors. Okay, so this was in my brush, but firstly you have to take your green colors. Okay, like this, and you have to cover. And now I think you are able to see then which texture I was talking. I see this kind of greeny kind of thing, and in between what you will use, you can use some of the black also. Okay, like 3 colors you have to blend it very well. Okay, we have to use sap green most of the time, because sap green, you know, I really this kind of really give you such kind of mousse effect. Now you can see the texture, okay, which I was talking about. Okay, now what you can use your spray bottle, and in center you can get the, if you are not able to color inside. Okay, so I have used my water, and now you can see it everywhere we have color, and it is looking the beautiful you know, combination. Like sometime you can take the green, sometime you can take the yellow, you know. So this is how you can blend the color, and this is a full video I am going to show, because there are so many people, they don't know how to blend the color. And so don't worry, and you can take the little bit water as well if you want, otherwise you can spray the water as well. Okay, now I am taking little bit of black, and now nobody can tell that we have prepared the base as well. Okay, so that's why I was saying like this is kind of very important play the role, like you can prepare the base as well. Okay, to purchase at market it's got very costly, guys. If you are a professional crafter then it's okay, but if you are making for your home decor, so it is uh, very costly from the market. See, and we have not invested so much. Okay, don't invest in chalk paints if you have the acrylic color. So it's totally depends on you, that what you have at your home, what you want to create. Okay, sometime you can take the yellow also. Okay, because this kind of thing, it require little bit of finishing. Now I have used my water to blend it very well. Okay, whenever you are thinking your color it's not blending or it's not going inside to the bricks, okay, like we have the depth also, you can use the technique. You know, best part of this, like you can you have we have made our flowers as well. Okay, so like your if you will use your spray water, it you know, it mix very well, it will mix your color very well. Okay, otherwise it's okay. If you don't have, then just dip in the water in your brush, sorry, your brush, you just dip in the water. Okay, you know, when it will completely dry, then we will give the more effect to like okay, so don't need to worry. Like we right now I'm just trying to build the color combinations. Okay, so basically the thing is that we are going to just blending the color. Okay, you can see it like okay. So this is how we can do our this mix color. Okay, now take your little bit of yellow as well. Just now you can see some of the color in your hand. Take the yellow ones, don't take like black color now because already we have taken. Just work with the green or yellow. Okay, see. So this is how you can create your texture or your color. Okay, and after you have to do the coloring on side as well, like we have done on this. Okay, so I hope there is nothing doubt you have, and once I will cover whole the part and it will dry, I'll back and I will start our to stick our embellishments, and after that we will start our flower arrangement. Okay, so thanks for watching.